just gonna swipe the table for stuff.
Oh. Can you tell me if I'm getting warmer? Oh, yeah.
This is so difficult.
What's going on, guys? Today we're really excited to start a new series, a blindfold series, and today the four of us at the office, Alex, Austin, Jordan, and Sergey, are going to compete for the fastest time to assemble a Ronin-M with a camera and a lens while blindfolded. Let's jump in. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, this is the stand. Let's start with the stand. Okay.
I don't know what I'm looking for right now.
There should be one more side note. Nope, is it up? Oh,
yeah. I'm worried for you guys, man. Like, I did this basically for like 2 years straight while filming all the real estate videos.
Oh man, I'm already so stressed out.
Okay, so these are here. Good.
Start here.
It's a big piece. I think this is what I'm looking for.
Oh man, this is harder than I thought.
Oh, I'm gonna break something.
Okay, now I don't remember how this part goes on.
That's the lens. Good. Where did I put the camera? Okay, good.
later. Oh, fuck. Is it on the table? Please.
Oh god, I have no idea how this piece goes on. Like this? Sideways?
Okay. Don't die.
I don't know how this piece goes on. Did that click? Yeah, dude.
The hardest part is like finding the right part.
Oh wait, I don't need this for a while. I'll just put that there. Wait, what? Where am I? Oh yeah.
It was here. Okay, hopefully it's on the table. I'll figure out it later.
All right, here we go. Okay, we're missing one arm.
Oh, okay. Jeez. Okay, this way it's gonna be better.
Where is everything?
Oh, that's something. Going down, Alex.
I'm just gonna swipe the table for stuff. What just happened? What just happened?
I'm okay.
Okay, I'm looking for something.
Oh, you guys make it challenging for me. Okay, I see how it is.
Can you tell me if I'm getting warmer? Oh, yeah.
I'm holding it upside down, bro.
What? What's going on?
Check that out.
Oh yeah. Nope. What is it? Wait a second.
Okay, where's the thing?
Okay, found it.
No. Where is it? No. Yeah, there it is.
There you go. We're good. Back on track.
Nope.
Lens off.
Where'd you put it?
Oh my god, this is so hard.
Where's this thing? Boom. Hello.
I forgot the battery. Yeah? Okay, and beautiful.
How do you tighten this thing? Like this? Is that balanced?
Balance.
Is it upside down right now? I can't do it.
Concentrate.
Below money. Boom. Money. Ta-da! Okay, hold on. Other way. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Good. Did I shut it off? Did I just shut it off? No. I did. Okay, hold up. Okay, hold up.
Ah, okay.
It should be it.
Is it it? Money. Cut it. Woo! Good job, buddy. That's awesome.
It's the first time I see this stuff, like actually, like they just brought a box to me, and I was just like, what is it? Why is it so huge? Because we usually use a Ronin-S.
Sick. Sick. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it blindfolded.
How was that experience, Jordan?
It's so stressful. That was complicated.
Alright guys, so we got the times. Each of us knows one of these times is what I'm trying to say. So now we're gonna guess. Okay guys, who do we think came in at 8:56? This guy was actually his second time assembling a Ronin ever. Like 1.5 times. So it kind of gives it away. So I'm gonna guess Sergey is at 4th place.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
It actually felt like 4 hours.
3rd place. Who do we think got 3rd?
They all are pretty close.
Austin.
But the Austin with the...
I'm hoping it's Austin. Because I want top 2. I want top 2.
I unfortunately I think it's probably me because you guys commented that it was like pretty slow and you just laughed. So it is me. Is it me? It's Jordan. It's me.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
Here we go. Come back in the frame. Come back in the frame. Don't be scared. All right, 6:23.
That's so
Who do you think
depressing.
who's 2nd place?
But they both are super close.
So
okay, right?
that is like drastically better.
10 minutes.
If you're that confident, you're 1st place, bro.
5 hours, I guess.
Yeah. Guys,
Yes.
you make it too obvious when I call you out. Wow, that is impressive. Okay, well my excuse is 2 things. One is I went first. 2 is I haven't assembled the Ronin.
I think that's the big thing.
That's too many excuses already.
Okay, okay, whatever. Alright guys, anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you had fun just like we did putting it together. That was quite the experience, eh?
Yeah,
I want to do another one.
Alright, so now we challenge you guys to do a blindfold rig assembly challenge?
Yeah.
Rig assembly challenge. Yeah, whatever it is. So basically put together your rig while blindfolded, film it, post it anywhere, send it to us and we'll repost it on our feed. We'd love to see it. And yeah,
Subscribe to our
You're not
channel.
going to beat 651, that's what's up.
yeah, no. 533, but then again, it depends on your rig, right? If you got a rig with all the different accessories, that's taking longer. Yeah, we're gonna do more blindfold challenge videos, which should be great. See you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, send us to a friend, hit a like button. We appreciate you. See you in the next video.